Welcome back to the AI-102 exam-style Q&A series. Here's question 21. You have an Azure AI Foundry project that connects to multiple Azure resources. You need to use the Azure AI Foundry SDK for Python to retrieve a list of Azure resource connections in the project. What code snippet should you use? The options are: Option A, client.connections.list, open and close parentheses. Option B, client.get_connection, open and close parentheses. Option C, client.get_connections, open and close parentheses. Option D, project.connections. Pause for a moment and think. The correct answer is Option A, client.connections.list. Here's why. The Connections interface in the Azure AI Foundry SDK is designed specifically to manage project connections. Calling connections.list returns all configured Azure resource connections in a single call, with the least amount of code. Now let's quickly review why the other options are incorrect. Option B, client get connection, retrieves only one specific connection and requires an identifier. Option C, client get connections, does not exist in the SDK. Option D, project connections. Connections are not accessed directly from the project object. Exam tip: on the AI-102 exam, if the question asks for all connections, always think connections.list. If you found this question helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so we can bring you more AI-102 exam-style Q&A sessions. See you in the next question.